2013 Lexus ES 350 luxury sedan. Midnight black paint, HID headlights, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, blacked out emblems, dual chrome tip exhaust, power retractable rear shade, tan leather interior, wood grain trim, carpet floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver seat, blind spot monitor, parking sensors, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, dual automatic climate control, premium sound system, navigation, backup camera, free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth, auto headlights with fog lights, just under 136,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Y'all come by and see us. Equalizer.